Guys, we're getting the chicken over there. We're gonna play the match here. It's not a full court, but yeah, we're trying our best. Alright. Yo, the chicken, quick. Don't need to unpause the video yet. I'll put the phone down later, guys. You just teleport like, in your view. Alright. Alright, the chicken. Let's play. Scissors, soon. Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
Let's go, Irene. Start. Let's go. I'm gonna put the camera, guys. Alright, this is my goalpost from here to there, I guess. Guys, I'll put you at the end of the goalpost, I guess. Here. This is the end. You guys will tell me if it passes the line. The line is right here, guys. The line is here. Alright. I don't think that's good. Alright, I'll put you guys at the line, I guess, so that you guys can see. I'll help him put the line. Go, put at the line. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is the line, as you guys can see from that. Yeah, I'll move it here. So you guys can see us play, I guess. Alright, move. Come on in.
What's up? I'm subscribed to this channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Don't subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to mine.
Yeah. This is VAR, guys. This guy's a cheater. Alright, from here. You guys tell me if it's a score or not. Alright. Behind that line. I don't think you guys can see it, but since it's behind the bicycle, I guess it'll count. Okay. Okay, you start from the middle. Pretty man. Hey. Oh! My ball.
Alright guys, I'm gonna break his ankle.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm stuck with the fans.
Alright, let us go. Damn guys, that guy's a foul cheater. That guy cheated. Alright, 3 more minutes and it's half time. 3 more minutes, half time. Kick here. Where's my ball? Where's the ball? Where's the dog?
Yo guys, currently the ball is with a white dog. So I gotta go check my phone.
You get it? You leave the ball. Huh? You left the ball. This guy left the ball. I guess it's my ball. It's my ball. Yeah, go. Alright guys, tell you guys when it's half time. I'll tell him when it's half time. Oh yeah, you put me in a yellow card. Then we have free kick, right?
Offense, no, I told that.
Alright. Alright guys, it's half time I guess. Only half time. Somebody was too tired to play. Whew, that's tiring. Ooh, that was half time, guys. Alright, that's half time, guys. We'll see you guys when the match starts again. Half time, alright. I've been subbed. Yeah. I've been subbed. Like 7 minutes, we're going to go back in because we're going to be unsubbed here in interchicken. You've been subbed, right?
What?
You've been subbed out, right? Now it's our break, technically. Alright, 7 minutes, it's going to be half time, then we'll be resting for a bit longer, then we'll go back to play the match.
Alright.
If you guys think there's nobody other than us, we're playing with two other people, they're our teammates. Yeah.
They're not here right now.
Yeah, they're playing right now. Yeah, they're playing. At 7 minutes, we're gonna go back in, cheer for our teammates, and we're gonna be called back. It's 1-on-1. Not yet.
Alright, you see the video that says Adam be trolling, right? That guy, he's really damn good at goalkeeping. So
He might be our next player.
if he has time, I think other day I should give him a trial. What's it called?
Yeah, 12.
Trial play, whatever that's called, and then see if he's good enough to join the team. If he is, we'll be recruiting him to the next video, and you guys will see. For Motor, right, he's currently out of our channel as he's weak.
Yeah. Yo, it's almost 7:30. It's almost 7:30. It's almost 7:30 for me. Your one, you burst for too long. Almost 7:30, then we'll cheer for our teammates, and we'll cut the video there, and we'll come back once it's our turn to play. Alright, see you guys. Yo, alright guys. From what I've heard from our teammates, they are gonna rest again. They're gonna rest for the next full match. So we're gonna play for the next full match. Yeah, they're resting. Whoop. But the points now are interchicken's team are winning and we are losing sadly. Later. Anyways, I'll put the phone here to see our scores. Alright. The chicken, go over there. Go over there. Put your phone over there. We're gonna start soon. Put your phone there. Here. In the middle. You can see. We should go sideways. Alright, here we go sideways. You can see easier. Alright, that's better. Okay. Alright, I'm putting the ball down. I'll put my sideways. Alright. Sideways can see.
Wait, how did this thing? Alright, so the video, right?
Yeah.
No, nice.
Fine. Quick.
A straight video, is it okay?
Yeah. Alright, zero stone. We're going to play the rest of the match. Scissor, paper, stone. Alright. Start. Kick.
Damn, bro!
Kick it. What is this guy doing? Ah, my ball. Hold up, guys. I'll be the referee for this. Kick it. What
the heck, man?
After
Free
video,
throw!
they
Oh,
took.
hell nah!
Grabbing the ball is bigger.
Maybe what?
Grabbing the ball. Go back. Alright, get a free kick. Alright, cause the place is not that big, we can take a free kick right now. Go there. I'll get a free kick. Alright.
You header.
Oh, you come on. Just go. Go back. Free kick. It's 6-5. You're 5. He's 6. 3, 2, 1.
The hell?
No! Get the ball. Bro, how did I get out? That was so close. I need to score somehow again. I need to score. Get back. on! No, hey, cannot start from there. Out. We have to start from the boogie. The goalpost. If someone win, you're gonna like and subscribe on his channel and my channel.
Hell no. Subscribe to mine, bro.
If you win, subscribe to his only. Alright. Throw in. He already threw, yes. After VAR, we have realized that I was the you were the last time. So let me get throw in. Alright.
This guy's
He's
stupid, bro.
good,
This guy's stupid, bro. I swear. This guy's an idiot.
Your guys go win. Because he saw me for his goal. Wow! Great cut!
You guys saw that? You saw that? I told you I won't kill him. I told you I'll push him down. Told y'all.
Ow!
You alright?
Alright guys, pick you guys up. You guys have to go watch this. This is my score time.
Guys, don't play. Stop. Wait, come on.
Go win this time, bruv. This guy pushed me. He pushed me, bruv.
Oh, hell no, guys.
He pushed me.
You guys didn't see that, but... Oh, my God.
I'm gonna get a tie here.
Wait, you're gonna kick me as high as possible.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm gonna count as a score, I guess. Hold up. Hold up. That's an out. I don't know what's happening to me. I think he pushed me too hard. I need to start getting better. Guys, I'll put you guys back. 3 minutes left for the match. Before extra. Nah, it's already extra time, guys. I don't know why I'm trolling. It's already extra time. Close back, close. One point for me! Let's go, guys! My point! My point, guys! Nice penalties! Alright, we skip the point where it was still a match. I scored one. I don't know when. You guys won't know when because I cut the video, I guess, but you guys didn't see the cut. I got 1 point, so now it's 6-6. Interchicken here. It's 6. Go get the ball.
This guy got pushed.
Go get the ball. Now it's 7-6. There's gonna be a nice penalty round.
Ooh.
Two minutes. Two penalty shot.
Bismillah!
Wait, hold up. Guys, I put one of the cameras at the goalkeeper there. See if it crosses the line. Sorry guys, sorry for that. You guys are the VAR now, right? You guys see the line? This. Yeah, he scores. Alright, let's go! You guys, go win.
Alright, chickens!
Shit, guys, he went in. Alright, my turn, guys. It's not winning. I'm gonna put it vertical. Alright, my turn, guys. go before the end of the video, guys. Alright, let's see if he gets it. If not, I will win. Alright, let's go. Don't score, bro. Ah, chickens! Go. Easy. Faster shoot. Quick. Let's go! Ah, that's what I got. Alright, that was a foul. He has to re-kick. He has to re-kick, guys. Yo! He has a re-kick. I do not know what he did. Alright, it might be here. Quickly, man. Ow! Let's go! Let's go! Guys! Let's go! Let's go, guys. Let's go! You guys saw that? Interchicken sucks. He sucks. He missed. He went out. That's it for the video, guys. Bye.